stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Then talk say behind every successful man, there is a woman. But me, I like to say that behind every successful woman, a man is in front. Any way you want to understand that now, you know. Welcome to Na Your Health. Yes, the #1 show where we carry all the better informate, everything where you need. Balanced diets, like my sister they talk about. Just put everything together to make sure say you, your body, your spirit, your soul, everything will concern you. They very, very kajad. And today, the matter where they grounded, it concern the most important people where they this world. Yes, quote me anyway, the women. The women. We want to talk about what they call menopause. I've been a menostop, I've been a menodelete, but na menopause we they talk. And my name na Dr. Adora. I know they everly waka alone. I they carry this smile. Hey, beautiful. Malecha, ne mommy, ego be one. Asam pete. Hey, introduction yourself.
Yes. Now me na all these names befit. Oh, they call her Oriki for Yoruba. Check me out now. This na your Niger half cast, Luchi Enobong. On top today's show, this menopause what they talk about though. Hey, you know, it's a natural thing where we they all experience as a woman. Yes, it usually ends fertility in some places, but we go give you all the things we don't package for inside paper for you today, for inside this particular episode, because we go yarn you some of the symptoms of this menopause and the bad things we fit come with them. But even as they give you the bad things, we go give you the remedy, the solution, the twinny where they follow on for back. We can't get too serious. Wow, we got to touch your swag now. Not only on top this show we fit to do them. Which other show they get them for inside PG? You know fit beat us anywhere, anytime. But the first one would always get what always drop for you as the heavy beam. Your ear go stand. Don't go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Na Your Health will soon return.
5 foods where they make menstrual cycle dey regular. The normal menstrual cycle for woman dey from every 21 to 35 days. And according to Cleveland Clinic, most women period dey last from between 4 to 7 days. The painful, unusually short or heavy or even over long period wey many women dey get fit be because of stress, dieting, drugs wey dey control how person dey get belle, and some medical palava like fibroid and sometimes cancer. Even to over-exercise sef and to dey underweight fit rearrange completely as your period suppose dey. So here na some healthy foods wey fit to help maintain woman period and make am dey regular as e suppose. Whole grains. Whole grains wey be food like whole wheat, brown rice, corn and oats dey provide plenty fiber, protein and vitamin B nutrients wey dey boost as our hormone dey balance and reduce heavy menstruation. The fiber dey also help with digestion wahala wey menstruation dey cause. E no dey good to dey too chopulate white bread, white rice and sweet food because e go increase the sugar for body and e fit cause pain, another kwanta during period, and e fit lower woman morale and happiness during her period. Oily fish. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, herring and sardine dey give us plenty protein and healthy fat which dey needed to balance our hormone well and make menstruation dey normal. Oily fish wey get omega-3 fat dey reduce inflammation wey be pain or swelling for body. So if it help reduce menstrual pain, you fit change all your protein food wey get saturated fat like red meat and cheese because if it increase inflammation, you fit replace am with baked, steamed or even grilled fish. Fruits and vegetable. Vitamin C and beta-carotene been dey very important for menstrual health, and fruits and vegetables na one sure way to get plenty of these nutrients. Abeg, avoid all these juices dem wey dem don add sweetener or extra sugar inside. Biko make your fruit juice for your house and drink am. To get beta-carotene, chopulate sweet potato, carrots and mango. And to get enough vitamin C, you fit chop citrus fruits wey be orange, lime, grape, lemon and tangerine. Water. E fit be like say water no matter like that, and so many women don completely forget say their body dey lose liquid like water and blood. Water dey pure and e dey good for our body health. So instead to grab that mineral, abeg sharparly carry water drink to cleanse your body and make your body tanda gidiga. My name na Ibukun Bankole.
Now your health don't return.
Welcome back. I hope say no be only you waka come. This na your health on top Wazobia TV. And my name na Dr. Dora. We don't introduction ourselves before on top the issue. And we don't talk about ear go stand. We talk about them, you hear them, plus you see them with your eyes. Yes, and your ear for don't understand. Well, the matter with the ground today now, waiting they call, no, Oyibo they call them menopause. But what will be this menopause? I just some people go talk, say, can't care menopause. Menopause. Now, when they see your period again for woman, after the last time where you see them for the first time. It makes sense. If you see your period, for example, on the first day of March, if you see them again 12 months after, say you don't experience menopause, but you go there between the ages of 40 and 50, but the average age is like 51. So if it happen before you don't reach that 40, for some people, if it happen before you even reach that 40, for some, now after the 40, for some, now after 50, but the average age now 51, according to some sabi people. Well, what will be some of these things where they fall now? So Oyibo they call them symptoms. The things where you go they see, where go make you say, it be like say, apart from say the menses don't stop, be like say I don't they see this thing. One irregular bleeding, irregular menstrual period. Want to say for example, you see them first time, 1st of March. The next time where you see them, when on a normal day, maybe they see them every 28 days or every month. Maybe the next time you see them now, 3 months later or 6 months later, say be like say this thing don't they come or that place you're down below. Say God don't give us some kind natural, moisture things, some kind natural way to clean and make it for the clean. So that place not they dry, it they wet, they moist. But if you can't notice say that place don't they dry now vaginal dryness with that now another sign say it be like say menopause don't they knock for your door.
And another symptom now what they call a night sweat. And when just like say you wake up for night, just they sweat like Christmas goats. Like saying you chop hot eba with egusi, begiri, ewedu, ila, come put goat meat, all of that you chop at the same time. That kind of sweat, you just for night, just they get night sweat. If you get that kind of thing, you get to check yourself, check your body, because if you be like say menopause, it don't they show you in face. So another one, now say your sleeping habits. Yes, say your sleeping habits, it don't change. See normally, say for night, people na normal 8 or 8 hours they sleep, but all of a sudden you they sleep for 4 hours, you go wake up, you no go fit sleep again. I think they cause this kind of sleeping change now, and you go they wonder, you know go even occur to you say, if you be say na menopause, so now na the time to consider whether na menopause, especially if you deal within that age range we should talk about. So
another one, now within they call Oyibo, they call them hot flashes, called flushes. There's a flushing in the something hot. And the normal small explanation of waiting this thing being, I say your body go dey hot suddenly. You not sick or nothing they do you. You go just notice say you dey hot. And most of the time you go dey feel them for your face, your neck, your upper body now all those places go just dey hot. And after as for like my sister talked, she already mentioned night sweats. Sometimes this hotness they follow sweats they come. Then on top that one, you go come be like say today you dey happy. Sorry, this not be happy face now. Today they happy. Then tomorrow go dey sad. You go just they fluctuate like NEPA lights, up down. Sorry, like lights. This fluctuates up down like that. All those mood changes. These are some of the things where they follow this menopause they waka.
Another one way you fit to check yourself well. Now your weight. You notice here, say be like say they lose weight though. Just like that. I know they over exercise. I know they too stress myself. Or say the food where they chop. On a good day, if you swallow, that swallow under 4 hours, you suppose don't digest. But you notice say, if they take past that time, even 6 hours after I don't swallow finish, I will see they waka like snail. What thing they happen? Why this kind of thing they happen for me, self? You could wonder. This one fit be saying a sign. Say this menopause, you don't they show in your own face. Another one fit be say your hair. The number where they on top of your head, it don't they reduce. you don dey thin, e dey thin. And sometimes if you check the hair, you don't use all the whole treatment you don't use everything for this your natural hair, but you see say e still dey dry, as in the hair don dey change in texture, change everything about am. You go dey look yourself dey wonder say I be na winch, I chop winch, I see winch, I smoke winch, I drink winch. No think am like that. No be winch thing. Na just natural biological process na dey happen for your body.
Well, from there, we go waka enter when e don reach, make you go see your doctor, because sometimes even when this menopause thing, you go feel say maybe na menopause because you know they see your period regularly. If it be belle, if you dey there, you go just think say maybe okay, I don enter menopause. After all, I don reach like 45, I don reach 50. Wetin dey happen? I don see woman wey reach 50 wey not see her period for 1 year. The next thing, na belle she carry, and guess wetin she carry? 5.
Na lie.
God is a miracle working God. So I beg, in case you get some kind things, then when you don't sure say this thing na menopause, because of all these symptoms we don't mention, I beg, try go dey see your doctor. They schedule regular visits, because your doctor, especially gynecologist, now wetin they call specialists where they follow woman matter, in go they tell you wetin you go they do to alleviate these things. But we will go on break now. When we come back, we go tell you some of the lifestyle things what you go do. And in fact, we go start with the complications of this menopause thingy. And after that, we go sort you the lifestyle. On top that one, we go still touch your swag. So make you not go anywhere. We dey come back.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, commot your shoe or leave am.